Ha! Ha! Hi, 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 hi. From now on, I'm not going to watch. I'm not going to watch the World Cup from now on. Ha! Me after watching Argentina versus Egypt. Oh, Jesus. Hi, hi. Mara, the game was already done. But Messi said, no, no, the game is not done till I say so. Oh, wow, Argentina with a comeback. Messi was like, no, I'm not letting that happen. I'm not letting that slide. Ay, nah, nah, bruh. Anyways, like if you like Messi, subscribe if you like Ronaldo. Peace.